Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a magical mixer restore package, some fun new goodies, so I can't wait to dive in. I am in the laundry room, so bear with me with the shaking and crappy lights. So this bag looks like some sequins. Oh, that's like a test tube. Oh my gosh, I have never seen these. Look how cute. They are like little red cherry sequins. How stinking adorable are those? So cute. And then this one, look at that. It's like a strawberry. It's like a baby pink or like a really light pink strawberry and cherries. Oh my gosh, these would be great for your group swaps and stuff. Oh, so cute. Make the cutest little mix. Next, we have pastel bats. So we have some Halloween. As you can see in here, you can see like the little green bats. I think I see some yellow, some blue, purple, pink. Super cute with the black and some silvers. Oh, this one looks fun. Let's see. Spooky Nova. So it's got like the little planet, some ghosties, some cute little purple eyeballs. I see some bats in there with the blacks and whites. So super cute. I love the bright fun colors. This little like mermaid style one, Ride the Wave, and it's got cute little like white shell clammy clams. It's got little mermaid tails, some cute little pink hollow stars. Very cute. And then next we have this one, Purple Boo, and you got the cute little like Pac-Man white ghost. You got some little purple like diamond dot style things, and then the little purple eyeballs. So cute, some stars in there. A little test tube. We've got some lime green. I see some orange, some black and white striped, cute little ghosty in there. Little rest in peace tombstones, and a cute like little syringe. Next, we have some fun beads, you guys. Just added some beads to the shop. So we have some cute little, these have a specific name, these like little disc style. So there's stars in green, purple, and pink pastel. Very cute. Next, we have some pink ones with the little like diamonds all embedded throughout it. Very cute. And that hole is definitely big enough for like a pokey tool or a beaded pen. Next, look how cute. These are like little clear iridescent bows, and the hole does run up and down. Very cute. And then next, look at these ones, little like faceted like disco balls, but in a baby pink with like a shimmer iridescence to it. Super cute. And then next we have these fun little, I think these are called candy beads, bubblegum beads, but they are like a pastel rainbow ombre that like goes throughout. Very pretty. Ooh, these are really shiny. Ooh, okay, so the hole goes, so it would be like a disc style. The hole goes up and down. And look at these fun, vibrant colors. Yellow, orange, purple, greens, clears, blue. Very fun. Very like clear, like crispy clear. Crisp clear. Oh, okay. Oh, what are these? They're not quite squares. They've got like an extra shape. So some type of cube style, but they are a clear pink. They almost feel like glass, but I think they're plastic. And then look how fun these are, little dice. So these are actually just little dice. Super cute for like embellishing, and then even Halloween, you can do the green ones for, or the white ones for Oogie Boogie. So cute. We've got these cute little clear flowers, and then the centers are, you know, whatever color that you pick. We've got blues, orange, and then the whole, I mean, obviously a flower can rotate anyway, so it can be up and down. But very pretty, look at the colors, and then a purple one and a light pink. Like the pink ones, we have a baby blue with the little diamonds all throughout, embedded inside. Just like the clear pink ones, we have a black, like geometric shape, kind of like a cube, but again, with like a pyramid pointed top. Very pretty. And then we have some star ones in all the pastel yummy colors. Yellow, different shades of pink, purple, blue. Very cute. And then these ones, these almost look like charms, but they're an actual bead. As you can see, the little hole goes straight up and down through the center of these. How cute are those? These do not fit on my pokey tool. So these ones do not fit on a pokey tool, but obviously you can still, you know, make dangles, wire wrap beads, all the fun things. You can even glue those on a project and not even pay attention to the hole. Some charms. Look how cute these are. They're a little purple witch hat with green stars, and look at the diamonds around like the belt. Super fun. You can even use those for like a wizard as well. And then we've got some full moon with the little bats. These ones are in a gold alloy. Look how cute the little mummy are. Isn't he just so cute? And then these ones, ooh, I've never seen these. So these are like a wrapper Look how cute. I love the shape of like candy when it's like that. Next we've got, oh my gosh, are those bats? How cute these guys are. They're tiny. They're little flatbacks, but look at the little white detailing on them. Look how cute those little bats are. His little eyes and teeth, or fangs I should say. And little spider webs, and then the little spider is in black with his big old beady eyes. Next we've got some candies. These are black candies with like a little pumpkin detail on the top. And these are, it's like a flat back on the back side of these charms. Very cute. And then we have some purple ones. These are iridescent purple. And then you can see the little ghosty with his little like witch hat on. Super cute. Next, look how fun. Look at this little cauldron, you guys. Okay, so you can see the cauldron right here. It's a black cauldron, and then like the smoke and stuff coming out is purple. The flame is purple. And then it has a cute little like bow with some eyeballs on the very front. How cute are these little flatback jimmies? Very cute. And then we have the witch hats. The other witch hats were charms. These are little cabochons, flatbacks. And these have white stars with like a little orange belt going across the front. Very cute. I need to get out my drill and just, I feel like I have so many cabochons. I need some for like flatback cabochons, and then I need to turn some into fun charms. Next are these cute little skelly. I love that the hip bone is, you know, shaped like a heart. Kind of just has his hand up, like disco style position. Very cute. And the paint job on these is very nice. Very cute. These fun little ghosties. These are in white little flatback with his cute little smile. It's like a side sweep curtain ghost. Very cute. Thank you so much, Sarah, sending me all these goodies. It's like Christmas every time I get a package from you. You guys, I will link her Etsy down below. She's got great prices. I mean, sometimes cheaper than any of those overseas companies. All right. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.